All Broil King cast iron cooking grids are coated with a matte porcelain finish. It is necessary to season and re-season cast iron cooking grids. The oil will help protect the porcelain coating, prevent food from sticking, and protect the cooking grids from rusting. Before you cook for the first time, you need to preheat your barbecue grill for 10 minutes on high. This will burn off any residue from the manufacturing process. Now, turn off your grill. When the cooking grids have cooled, you are now ready to season. A solid unsalted vegetable shortening is recommended for the initial seasoning. Apply a thin coating over the entire surface of the cast iron grids, then rub it in with a paper towel. You can also melt the shortening and apply with a silicone basting brush.